Hi, I'm Lou and I've really been enjoying my Coleman mini bike, but the ride is a little rough on dirt trails, so I'm going to add these seat springs. We'll take off the bolts on both sides and pull off the seat. Unscrew this bracket. So I'll just reuse the same bolt that came out with a fender washer. Now I attach the bottom of the spring back to the bracket with bolt, fender washer, lock washer, and nut. Back on it goes. I just took it out for a test drive and it's definitely better on bumps, but I don't like the way that this seat kind of bends in the middle because this is cheap plastic underneath. Also jacked up like this, the seat doesn't hook on very well up here. So I'll install this door hinge right here and I'll bolt 2 steel bars onto that leading back to the springs. There's the seat with the steel bars installed. Here we are with the new installation, and this is popping up a little bit, so I'll just tie it down with some baling wire. That felt a lot more stable and did a great job absorbing the bumps. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link to the springs and my other mini bike videos below.